Now let us look into question number 13. Propene on treatment with HBr. Propene when treated with HBr gives option A isopropyl bromide, option B propyl bromide. What is the IUPAC name for these two compounds? Isopropyl bromide is 2-bromopropane, propyl bromide is bromopropane, and option C 1,2 dibromoethane, and option D none of these. Now let us write the reaction. Propene CH3CH double bond CH2, or else you can also write CH2 here, double bond CH and CH3, that's type. Still it's going to be the structure of propene or 1-propene. With propene we are treating with HBr. Because it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is an alkene. Whenever we treat it with HBr, it undergoes addition reaction. The type of reaction shown is addition reaction, and particularly this addition reaction takes place in accordance to Markovnikov's rule. This reaction takes place in accordance to Markovnikov's rule. What is the statement of this Markovnikov's rule? Whenever an unsymmetrical molecule adds to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the adding molecule will add to that carbon atom involved in the double bond containing least number of hydrogen atoms. So this is an unsymmetrical alkene, this is an unsymmetrical molecule. When this breaks down, it will form H plus and Br minus ion. So this will be the negative part of the adding molecule. It will get added to those carbon atom involved in the double bond, to that carbon atom involved in double bond. Here these are the two carbon atoms involved in double bond. In that there is a condition to be satisfied. That carbon atom involved in the double bond should contain least number of hydrogen atom in it. Of the two, this carbon atom is containing less number of hydrogen. Therefore, Br minus will add on to this carbon atom. So now this H plus will add on to this carbon atom. Therefore, the double bond between these two carbon atom breaks down and they get linked by single covalent bond. Let me write the completed structure. CH3, now here CH, Br is taking a linkage to this C. So Br here, and then H plus taking an addition here with this. So it's going to be CH3. So what's the name of the compound? 1, 2, 3. 2-bromopropane. We landed up in the formation of 2-bromopropane, and its trivial nomenclature will be isopropyl bromide. Its trivial nomenclature will be isopropyl bromide. This addition reaction has taken place in accordance to Markovnikov's rule. So which is the correct answer of all the four options? Option A is the correct answer. Answer is option A. This is a simple addition process by HBr to the alkene, unsymmetrical alkene, namely propene.